Hi everybody, just doing a little like for like size comparison with the new Bomag RC 14 scale all electric roller, currently on sale from Toucan Hobby. Just come in today and finished putting decals on it. Thought I'd do a little video to show everybody a basic side-by-side comparison with the JX E20 full hydraulic excavator. Now, without, excuse me putting my arms into shot, but if I put them side by side, they are perfectly in scale with each other. Roll cage to roll cage, there's only about a 20mm difference. Lengthwise, pretty same. Great bit of kit. I'll just fire the Bomag up now so you can have a little look at this, because I know there's not many of them in the UK at the moment, and I think everybody's just keen to see our impressions of them. My first initial impression out the box was very well built, extremely well detailed. The decals that was provided with it, which I've put on, are really good quality. It's as you can see, I've put the decals on the lifting points there and there, lifting stickers, the Bomag stickers on the front, seatbelt stickers, warning stickers, safety stickers, everything's there. If I spin it around a little bit, you'll see the battery decals, no smoking decals, with obviously when you put the diesel in it. It has a dashboard decal, which is a very good quality. And I've put this man on it, and he's a little bit bigger than the Bruder ones. He's about a 14 scale man, a full size 14 scale man. He's got a little high vis jacket on, which I made myself. To activate the machine is a little joystick on the opposite side. You have to press upwards. I requested an orange beacon because they do with different colours. Right. Great bit of kit. Really smooth to operate. Has a reverse bleeper. Servo controlled steering. Warning lights on the back. Reverse lights. This model I bought doesn't have a sound system, but it has a reverse bleeper, and in all fairness, in the everyday world, you don't hear the engine running very much anyway, because it's in construction mode. Has dual headlights on the front, obviously beacon with all the modes, 6 or 7 modes on the front. Going back to the operating of it, it's very smooth and no jerkiness. The speed controller is very well in scale with it. Excuse me. And put the vibration mode on. As you can probably hear it, there's all different levels on it depending on how much you turn it on the VAR. Show you another feature of it. It also has auto drive mode, so you can take your hands off the steering and it will drive itself until you switch it off. So if you're doing a little video like I'm doing, you can drive it forwards Doesn't go in auto mode on the reverse, just forward. I've also got one little other treat for you. I'll just take that out of view. Turn the lights off for a second. I showed you in my last video of the JX plant trailer, the full metal one, of which I had the digger on last time. I'll just bring it into view there, which for additional wise, lovely bit of kit. I also have these all in full size in my yard because I own a plant company, so I'm really particular about how much details on them and how good they operate. So if I just pick this up with my hand, which is quite a bit of a weight, it fits perfectly on that trailer. And if you look, the front roller sits between the bars where the bucket usually sits with the JX excavator, which stops it from sliding backwards and forwards. Which will look great when it's towed around. It'll look great getting towed around job site on the back of our trucks. Obviously you have to take the jockey wheel up if you want to see it, but it fits on that trailer pretty well. I think overall everybody was a little bit taken back by the price tag of it, but with it being full electric rather than any hydraulics involved in it. But as we comparison with the JX full hydraulic excavator and the Bomag all electric roller at roughly about half the price, it's definitely not half the build. The build quality on this is perfect. Anodized metal cab, all the bars are metal, all the roller housings are metal. The only thing that's plastic on the whole thing is the steering column and obviously the light bezels. The metal across there, stainless steel with a rubber strip on it, just like the real one have. Metal paint, really tough wheels on them, rollers on them I should say, rollers. There's the tread plate, skid plate. Really big, good bit of kit. Let's move that out of view. I'll open it up to show you what's what. Battery compartment. You know, a little bit more room. You could probably put a slightly bigger battery in to last longer as well, but I would imagine this is going to run pretty good. The swivel section between the two bodies, but obviously the bodies are steel, and so is the swivel section, the pivot section. And really good quality. Really good quality. As you can see, power turns off, radio goes into warning mode. Even there's a little tiny tread steps there, little steps going in, and then also metal tread plate, same as that, metal tread plate. The lifting hooks are all metal on all four corners, so if you've got a crane or you know someone with a crane, they can lift it up. I have a crane on my hook loader. I'll be tempted to give that a little lift on the meetings. Yeah, overall I'm really happy with it. It's perfect. Perfect bit of kit for the construction. Thanks for watching.